The IMC is a very unique inductive sensor. Most inductive sensors give you one switching output when you have a target within its sensing range. This is really easy to test and check out in your application by just powering it up right out of the box, but it gives two outputs, one 12 millimeters away from the sensor and one at 10 millimeters away. So we will see the yellow light turn on for Q1 or output 1 and the blue light turn on for output 2. We can see both colors in one window, but we can also rotate it, and through the other windows you can see more clearly Q1 and more clearly Q2. For its range on different metals, check out a video on reduction factors and the information in our data sheets. To change the range or to set up windows or adjust the hysteresis and do other things, you can hook up to IO-Link and make those adjustments on your computer. Either leave IO-Link in your system if you have an IO-Link master, or just disconnect and use your two discrete outputs that you've now adjusted and taught for your application. To know how to make those adjustments through IO-Link, hit like and subscribe to be alerted when the new ones come out, and we can walk through how to make these adjustments and make these sensors work really awesome in your application.